Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover Subway Surfers account. If you've lost access to your Subway Surfers account, here's how to recover it. First, try reconnecting the account you originally used to sign in. If it was your Facebook, Google Play Games, or Apple ID, open the Subway Surfers app and link those accounts one by one to see which one restores your progress. If none of this worked, head to the game's official Contact Us or support page. There, you can submit a recovery request. Make sure to include key details like your username, the last time you logged in, and any other information that might help them locate your data. Keep in mind, though, that if your account was never linked to any sign-in method, recovery may not be possible. Still, it's worth trying. Subway Surfers support can often help you get back in the game faster than you think. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.